Okay, today I'm going to show few examples about composite function and inverse function. Okay, this is also a mx chapter and I think it's for Form 4, first chapter. Okay, now we have a look on the question here. Okay, gx is equal to 4x minus 7 and hx is equal to 2x. Okay, he asked us to find the values of gh2. So mean he want to combine g and h. This one is what we call composite function. Okay, so first thing, before we start to find this one, we have to understand what is the meaning by GHX. Okay, GHX will mean that G multiple HX inside. Okay, mean G will multiple HX inside. So what is the meaning by multiple HX here? Means that if HX is 2x, means I have to put the whole 2x into here. Okay, if I put the whole 2x into here, what will happen is when gx equal to 4x minus 7, he will become 2x minus 7 because x will become 2x. X will become 2x. So let's show you here. Okay, for example, okay, we put h into this one, so this one we will become call what we will call here, we will call g. Okay, what is hx here? Hx is 2x. Okay, if hx is 2x, then what we will have here? Okay, so this one g2x, you imagine this one is the x. Okay, when gx we will got 4x minus 7. So what happened is g2x. Okay, like gx we will got 4x minus 7. 4x minus 7, because the x is the variable, means actually the x we can change any value. So now if x will change to 2x, so this one we just call 2x minus 7, because x now change to 2x because he want to do GHX. This is the method to do composite function. So therefore we will got x minus 7. This one is for GHX. Okay, just substitute the behind one to the G. That's all. When GHX means substitute HX into G. Okay, so you got GHX equal to x minus 7. Then you want to find GH2. So you just substitute x into the 2. So same thing, GH. Okay, x will equal to x minus 7. I just put bracket here for x because later I can substitute any value I want. So here the x will become 2. So this one will become 2. So this one will become 2. So just we get 8 multiple 2, we got 16. 16 minus 7, then we will got 9. Okay, and actually in this question you got some quick methods to do lah. If in the exam you just want to save time, you don't need to do like so long step. It means because GHX will equal to G multiple HX. Therefore actually we can solve the XX first. So we can solve this one first. Okay, so what do I mean by solve this one first? From here we got XX equal to 2x. And then he said G multiple with the H2. So I just substitute the 2 into here. So H2 will mean H bracket X will equal to 2x. So 2, I just substitute the 2 into it. Substitute 2 into it. So I will got 4. 2 multiple 2, I will get 4. Then that means H2 is equal to 4. H2 equal to 4, then you want to find G, H2. So this one is mean H2 is 4. So GH2 equal to 4x minus 7. Gx is equal to 4x minus 7. Okay, so GH2 equal to 4. So when this one equal to 4, this one equal to 4, this one equal to 4. So we will got 16 minus 7, then we will got 9. See? If you understand this one, this method will be very fast. Because GH2 equal to 4. So I substitute 4 into it, means all the x now will become 4. So 4x minus 7, 4x minus 7, 4x now is 4, so just 4 multiple 4 minus 7, 16 minus 7, then we got 9. Okay, I just show you a few more examples. Okay, have a look on this example. This is, I think this is maybe what they call composite. This is inverse function, because you will see -1 here. You will see -1 here. This is something like inverse function. So inverse function, okay, I think most of the books is do teach you how to do the inverse function. So I just briefly teach here one more time. Okay, when you see you want to find G inverse. Okay, we got Gx, we got Gx here. So I just let, remember the word let is very important. So I let Gx equal to y. Okay, Gx will equal to y. Means Gx is this one, so the 2x plus 1 will equal to y. But then I substitute later, because when Gx is equal to y, what happened when I move the G to this side? Gx will mean G multiple x, correct or not? So when we move G to this side, we will got x will equal to G inverse y. Okay, why I can get G inverse y? If you learn about indices, G inverse, G -1 will mean 1 over G. Correct or not? When G multiple x, he moves to this side, he will get y over G. So y over G, we can write in G inverse y. Because, okay, I just do a simple, okay, let's say Gx is equal to y. So x will equal to y over G. So I do a short form here. This one, for this one, I actually y over G, I can write at G inverse y. Okay, therefore, I will got x equal to G inverse y. Okay, this is very common sense. When Gx, you move the G to this side, you will got G inverse. Because the relationship here is multiple. Okay, if you can understand this one, then we can proceed. Okay, so x will equal to G inverse y. So in order to get G inverse y, later you have to get the x, then only you can get the G inverse y, because this x is equal to G inverse y. Okay, if this one done, okay, then we start from here. So Gx is equal to y. So when you see Gx is equal to y, first thing very important is, what is Gx here? Gx is 2x plus 1. So I just write 2x plus 1 will equal to y, because 2x plus 1 is Gx. Gx equal to y, therefore 2x plus 1 equal to y. I just substitute Gx into here. Gx is 2x plus 1 equal to y. Okay, when you write out this one, first objective is you want to get x. Because when you get x, you can get G inverse. So you want to get x, whatever not related one, you just move to another side. So therefore, I want to get x in terms of y. So 2x will equal to y minus 1. and x will equal to y minus 1 divided by 2. See, when you get x already, then you know x is equal to g inverse y. So I just substitute this one back to x. So x is equal to g inverse y. Okay, so we're equal to y minus 1 divided by 2. Now he want to find g inverse x. Mean actually I say this one is a variable, means we can change. Now I change all the x, all the y become x. All the y become x, means any y you see here you want to change to x. So this one, when I change to g inverse x, here I will get x minus 1 divided by 2, because all the y should change to x. So this is the inverse function for part A. Okay, of course in the exam you better you do it continuously, but then here because I just want to make your video experience better, so I just separate it out. Okay, and then part 2 is very simple. You want to compose, you want you to do the composite function, means you combine hx with the g inverse 9. So first, from here, you can do the behind part first, g inverse 9. So what is g inverse 9? Means we just substitute 9 to all the x here. Okay, so g inverse x. I put bracket because later I want to put 9 onto it. So all the x I change to bracket. X minus 1 and then divide by 2. Okay, now I can put the x into it. So x is 9. So I put a 9 here. So I will got 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 will get 4. So therefore I get g inverse 9 is equal to 4. When g inverse 9 equal to 4 means I can substitute back here. So now for part B, what you want to find? You want to find g inverse, you want to find h multiple g inverse 9. So h multiple g inverse 9, this one the whole thing becomes 4. So this is just h4. When h4, you just substitute hx here. So what happened to h4? Okay, now all the x become 4 already. So 3x plus 6. Okay, all the x become 4, so all the x become 4. So become hx will become 3x plus 6. So h4 will become 3, 4 plus 6, because all the x become 4. So this one will become 12 plus 6. So this one will become 18 for part B. That's all. Then you will have 4 marks for this question. Okay, maybe I just show. Okay, I just show one more to give you better understanding about this chapter. Okay, when you see here, it's given here. Okay, gx equal to 5x plus 2 and hx equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so first thing, you want to find g inverse 6. Okay, again, I teach you one more time how to get the g inverse. First thing, we write gx is equal to y. Then what happened? We move the g to this side. We move the g, we will got g inverse here. G inverse y will equal to x. Okay, then you just ignore this one. We start from the first step. You just ignore this one because this one just to inform you later you have to find x. Okay, so now you start from gx equal to y first. So gx is 5x plus 2. Therefore 5x plus 2 will equal to y. So therefore 5x plus 2 will equal to y. Okay, my objective is to get x in terms of y in order to get inverse. So whatever not related to x1, I move to the other side. So therefore 5x will equal to y minus 2. X will equal to y minus 2 divided by 5. Okay, now I got x already. So when I got x, what I need to do, I have to substitute this one into here. So x will equal to g inverse y equal to y minus 2 divided by 5. So what he wants here, he wants g inverse 6. When I see 6 here, means you put all the 6 into the y. So therefore, it's very simple. You just move the 6 into it. So therefore, you will got g inverse 6. All the y put the 6 into it. So 6 minus 2 divided by 5. So you will got 4 over 5. This is the answer. Okay? Can get it? Okay, if can get it, we go to the second one. Okay, hx composite function. A composite function for part B, this is quite simple. So hgx will be equal to h multiple function gx. Okay, so therefore so hx, so we assume this is hx. So all the x I put bracket because later I have to substitute gx into because this is hgx, mean later I have to substitute the gx into all the x here. So now all the x I put bracket. Okay, x square bracket square minus 4x 4 bracket plus 3. All the x I change to bracket. Okay, and then yes. Now gx, what is gx? Gx is 5x, is 5x plus 2 is gx. See, gx is 5x plus 2. So now all the x will change to 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. Okay, because hgx means gx is 5x plus 2. So all the x I will change to 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. Then, okay, start to do 5x plus 2 square. This one we have got 25x square. Okay, 2 multiple 10x, 10x multiple this one plus 20x plus 4 minus, okay, I continue right on the bottom, minus this one multiple in, we have got negative 20x, negative 8 plus 3. Okay, then we just solve this one. So positive 20x and negative 20x we simplify. This one gone, and then 4 minus 8 we got negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 we got negative 1. So this is 25x square minus 1. So this is hgx. It's very simple. It means all the x you change to gx. This one called hgx. Okay, imagine this one is hx. Hx is x square minus 4x plus 3. Yeah, so hgx means gx square minus 4gx plus 3. That's all. Then you just substitute in, you can get the correct answer. Okay, since this video still got a little bit time, okay, I just show one more example here. Okay, for this one, he gives you inverse and then he asks you to find hx. So this one, use back the same method again. If he gives you inverse, okay, yeah, like just now, we write hx will equal to y. Therefore, when we move the h to this side, we got h inverse. So x will equal to h inverse y. Clear or not? This is the method we learned just now. So now he gives us this one, h inverse x equal to 2 over 3x. So I change this one to this one. So when h inverse, so I just write one more time. So therefore, I just change to h inverse x will equal to 2 over 3x. So h inverse y will equal to 2 minus 2 over 3 minus y. Because all the x I change to y. X, y. Okay, will equal to x. Okay, because now, now our objective is to get y. Because when we got y, we can get back the hx. See, y equal to hx. So we want to put y in terms of x. So I just, the whole thing change place with the x. So 3 minus y will equal to 2 over x. Therefore, I move the negative y to this side, move this one to another side. So y will equal to 3 minus 2 over x. Okay, and I simplify this one. Okay, and then I get more space, so maybe I move on the top. Okay, later I move back here. Okay, so now, okay, this one I just, okay, y is hx, y is equal to hx. So hx will equal to 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2 over x. Okay, so I write better, hx will equal to, I multiple x for this one in order to make the denominator become same. So this one we call 3x minus 2 divided by x. So this is answer for part A. On the top here is still same, hx equal to y. Then x equal to h inverse y. So h inverse y will become, this is h inverse x is 2 over 3 minus x. So this one is 2 over 3 minus y. Just x change to y will equal to x. Now our objective is to find y. So we just want to get y in terms of x. So I just solve the equation. I can get y equal to 3 minus 2 over x. So this is hx. Okay? Done? Easy? Okay, so okay, now we come back to the part 2, part B. He say, find the values of x such that hx will equal to negative 5. Mean the whole thing here will equal to negative 5. Because hx equal to negative 5. So I just write one more time. Hx will equal to negative 5. So this one is hx. So I just substitute this one in. So 3x minus 2 over x will equal to negative 5. So 3x minus 2 will equal to negative 5x. So this one move here, 3x plus 5x, x will equal to 2. So x will equal to 2 over 8. So equal to 1 over 4. That's all. Okay. I hope this video can help you. This video just cover the composite function and the inverse function, and then I try to make this video seems very simple, and I really hope you can understand through this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching.